In today's lesson, we're working on creating a beautiful chord progression using Python. You just heard the progression we'll be building, and now we'll bring it to life step by step with rich chords and flowing arpeggios. Let's dive in. First, we set up the basic parameters for our project. This includes the tempo and beats per minute, the ticks per beat for timing precision, and the name of the MIDI file we'll save our composition to. Next, we define the chord progression for our exercise. The chords, G major, E minor, C major, and D major, are represented by their MIDI note numbers. This progression forms the harmonic foundation of our musical piece. Now, we create a new MIDI file and add a track to it. This track will hold all the musical data we'll generate, from chords to arpeggios. We also set the tempo using a meta message, ensuring the playback speed matches our desired tempo. Here, we define a function to add chords to our MIDI track. Each note in the chord is turned on at the same time to create a rich, harmonic sound. After a specified duration, all notes are turned off to end the chord. In contrast to chords, arpeggios play the notes of a chord one by one. This function sequentially turns on and off each note, creating the flowing, melodic effect that arpeggios are known for. In this step, we loop through the chord progression, adding each chord to the track. After each chord, we call the arpeggio function to add movement and texture to our music. This creates a dynamic alternation between harmony and melody. Finally, we save our composition to a MIDI file. This file contains all the chords and arpeggios we programmed. And there you have it. We've successfully created a beautiful chord progression with dynamic arpeggios using Python.